Hi friends, welcome back to another spring cleaning video. I have been slacking a little bit with these videos, but today we are tackling my bedroom. I have neglected my bedroom quite a bit, so today we are going to clean from top to bottom. And when I mean top to bottom, I mean top to bottom. Today will not be a decorate with me video. Just going to show you how I clean. I'm going to be bringing down the curtains. I did wash these curtains. We washed them together in a previous video, but since I'm going to be dusting and cleaning the windows, I wanted to bring down the curtains. So I hope this video motivates you. If you need to tackle a bedroom or any room in your home for spring, let's get to cleaning together. Now, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, this took me 2 days and I can't believe that I was able to make about a 12-minute video on it. I had to edit a lot out, speed things up. It was intense because, like I said, you could see I am dusting everything. And then I removed the rug that was underneath the bed as well. So I had my daughter help me with that. It's a big rug and we couldn't move the furniture out of the room. So that was challenging. And then this was over Memorial Day weekend. So the first day I actually had to stop like midday because I had a friend come over, and then I continued the following day. It was a lot of work, and it's funny looking back at the video, it doesn't really show that it was a hard job, but it was a lot, but I got it done. And yeah, this is just a reminder: dust your walls, dust the corners of your ceilings. It's that time of year where all the critters come out and the spiders love to make webs everywhere. So yeah, hopefully this is an encouragement to you all. I know it could be daunting to think about it, but it's got to get done. Now, the windows, I didn't show you too much of me cleaning it because of, again, privacy. And, I have a lot of homes across the street from me and whatnot. But that was very satisfying to clean the windows up here. If you saw one of my previous clean with me videos, I have not been able to clean the windows downstairs the way I did my bedroom windows. But that will be done shortly because the amount of pollen, it was so disgusting. You'll see that in a moment. But yeah, and so, we cleaned, got everything nice and clean. Like I said, we're not decorating. Obviously, I'm putting things back together. I'll show you a little bit of, how everything turned out. But this was not a video to give you decorating ideas. This was more so, let's clean, let's get things done so that everything's nice and clean. So when you do want to decorate. And I only use the Dawn Power Wash to clean the windows. It works wonders. I love using that for just about anything. But I'm gonna show you after one rinse what it looked like. I had to do it a couple of times, but this is after one rinse. Look at the major difference from the before. I love Power Wash. And if you guys don't use it to clean, totally recommend. But this is the rug that's coming out. You saw we had to take off the mattress. I had to put a blanket over my bed just because when we lift the bed up, I didn't want it to damage the walls. And I'm cleaning behind the bed. Lots of little dust bunnies were back there. And yeah, so we got it all done. And I actually sold the rug on Facebook Marketplace. and I was very happy about that. I love the rug. I've had it for a couple years, but it was time for a change, and I currently just have something temporary underneath my bed. It's actually like a little too small for underneath my bed, but it's okay. I am not doing anything for aesthetic reasons right now, just the rug that was there. First of all, the color is so light that it was a chore to keep clean, and I felt like it made my room look a little too small. So for now, like I said, you'll see it's just gonna be something super simple that I put underneath my bed, and maybe down the road I'll find something else. I also need to find a bed skirt. Actually, I'm gonna be honest, I don't like my bed. I bought my bed like 3 years ago, and I am so unhappy with it. The mattress, the bed frame. I bought it on sale and I was never really happy with it. So actually my goal is to get a new mattress. So we'll see if and when I can do that. But for now, I'm going to just work with what I have, and that'll be that. I don't, it's not a necessity. I have a bed to sleep on, but I'm not happy with it. It's not a comfortable bed. So if I can get a new bed and then a new area rug for underneath, that would be great. As for my bedding, I just brought out my spring summer sheets that I use, and I just left my quilt on top of the bed. I put away the comforter that I usually use. I did leave out the shams that go with the comforter, but that's it. And then I also washed the covers on my throw pillows. I love these throw pillows. They were also a Home Goods find last year, and I really am very pleased with them. And so you'll see in a little bit, I did end up buying a throw from Home Goods, so I will share that with you towards the end of the video. But we're gonna start dusting off my furniture. This is the last couple of things that I'm going to do, and you'll see that I'll kind of rearrange this as well. I ended up switching the lamp and the mirror, kind of put them on opposite sides. So my floor lamp, as you can see, is on this side where the mirror used to be, and then the mirror is by the window. And I think it just opens up the space more and makes my room look bigger. I also have a little area by the window, which is like my working station, but I don't really like to show that on camera just because I have a lot of work information on there, so to keep things private. But this picture is of me and Alexa on her birthday when she was a little girl. I love that picture. And friends, don't forget to clean your lamps and your lampshades. Mine were so dusty. I could not believe how dusty they were. I even went in with a lint remover. I didn't get that on camera, but I did get the lint remover and go around the lampshades as well. So, real life, right? It's not something that I clean on a weekly basis, I will be honest. And then I decided to cover up the outlet here on the wall with this picture. Very temporary. It's just a picture I had laying around. I just didn't want to look at the outlet on that wall. But we are done cleaning. Yay. It felt so good to check this off my to-do list. And this is the new addition to my bedroom. And I bought it from Home Goods, from the Martha Stewart line, and love it. I love the color. Obviously, super neutral, can go with any decor and can go in any season as well. But that was the only new addition here in the bedroom. Kind of ties in the whole bedding, and I really like it. And I hope you guys do too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some inspiration to tackle your cleaning and your to-do list for the spring/summer, because we're almost into summer as well. So it doesn't just have to be spring cleaning, it can be summer cleaning. And then I added this little lamp. If you guys have been around, this lamp was one of the very, very first things that I bought for this apartment. And I had put it away, and now I'm using it in my bedroom. Let me know what you think. I had it on the right side, then I put it in the center. You can let me know in the comments below what placement looks better. Thank you again for stopping by. I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, bye.